There is a single cell type that resides in nearly every organ of the human body. A cell that is vital to maintaining your health, but under the wrong set of circumstances can turn deadly. This cell may also hold the key to treatments for some of the diseases most threatening to human life. This cell is the macrophage. To better understand macrophage behavior, we must first explore key concepts that characterize these cells. The term macrophage means big eater. True to its reputation, one of the macrophage's primary roles in the body is to eat or engulf and remove dead cells and destroy pathogens, including viruses and bacteria. Beyond their role in disposing of debris, macrophages also serve many other functions in the body. For example, lung alveolar macrophages regulate defenses against respiratory infection. Kupffer cells in the liver perform immune surveillance. And osteoclasts in bone marrow remodel and resorb bone tissue. What functions they perform are dictated by many factors, including the environment in which they live and where and how they originate. Some macrophages, such as those found in the digestive system, originate from stem cells in the bone marrow. Stem cells in the bone marrow differentiate into monocytes, which travel through the bloodstream, enter peripheral tissues, and then have the capacity to differentiate into macrophages. For over 40 years, it was thought that all macrophages came from bone marrow. But this, we now know, is only part of the story. Through genetic lineage tagging in animals, we know that tissue-resident macrophages mainly develop before we're born, originating from the extra-embryonic yolk sac. Some macrophages arise in the yolk sac and migrate through the bloodstream to multiple tissues throughout the body. However, most embryonic macrophages develop from a yolk sac-derived progenitor cell called an erythromyeloid progenitor, or EMP, that travels to the developing liver and differentiates into fetal monocytes. These monocytes then migrate to peripheral organs, where they fully mature into macrophages. Why do we care about macrophage origins? Emerging evidence suggests that embryonic and bone marrow-derived macrophages function differently in health and disease. For instance, embryonic or tissue-resident macrophages participate in maintaining tissue homeostasis and repair, while bone marrow-derived macrophages, while performing an important role in normal immune responses, are more likely to promote inflammation and tissue damage. Current research is helping us understand how the relative contribution of macrophages from different origins and environments influences health and disease. Future therapeutic strategies may focus on how to either increase populations of helpful macrophages or block macrophages that promote disease.